Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Welcome to online class, children. Today I am going to teach you class 2 lesson Where is the Pink Whale practice book part. I will explain you, children. Okay, children, let's start. Where is the pink whale? Lesson name what, children? Where is the pink whale? In lesson 11, Where is the pink whale? King Kuber is taking a round of his kingdom. Isn't it, children? I explain you lesson, no? King Kuber is taking a round of his kingdom. Fill in the blanks using correct doing words from the help box. Using correct doing words from the help box to see what his people are doing. Okay, children, you have to fill in the blanks using help box to see what his people are doing. See, children, this is the help box. Sewing, sitting, riding, guarding, selling, sleeping, watering, playing. You have to write take help box. You have to write fill in the blank. You have to fill the blank with these words. First one, children are dash in the garden. See, children, here picture also is there. Children are what they are doing, children? Playing. Children are playing in the garden. Farmer is dash the seeds. Here, see, children, farmer what he is doing? What he is doing, children? He is the farmer. See, farmer is sowing the seeds. Here, sowing the seeds. Some women are dash clothes in the pond. Some women, see what they are doing, children? Washing. Some women are washing clothes in the pond. Few men are dash under the tree. Few men are dash under the tree. Here, see, children, what they are doing? Sitting. Few men are sitting under the tree. Soldiers are dash the palace. Soldiers are dash the palace. Guarding. They are guarding the palace. Soldiers are guarding the palace. Shopkeeper is dash the goods. What shopkeepers will do, children? Selling. Shopkeeper is selling the goods. Babies are dash in the cot. Here, see, children, two babies are there. What they are doing? Sleeping. You have to write babies are sleeping in the cot. Gardener are dash the plant. Gardener, here, see, children, gardener, what they are doing? Watering. Gardeners are watering the plants. Isn't it, children? Some men are dash on horses. See, children, men are what they are doing? Sitting. Some men are sitting on horses. Understood, children? These all are doing words. They are doing some work, no, children? Playing, sewing, washing, sitting, guarding, selling, sleeping, watering, sitting. Okay, children? Children are playing in the garden. A farmer is sowing the seeds. Some women are washing clothes in the pond. Few men are sitting under the tree. Soldiers are guarding the palace. Shopkeeper is selling the goods. Babies are sleeping in the cots. Gardeners are watering the plants. Some men are sitting on the horses. These all are doing words, children. Okay. Worksheet 2. Now worksheet 1 over, no, children. Now come to worksheet 2. King Kuber is sad. An artist draws a funny picture to make him laugh. King Kuber is sad. So an artist draws a funny picture to make him laugh. Look at the funny pictures and complete the sentences. Very nice, children. You see, children, some funny pictures are there. See, children, rat, woman, dog, man, lady, boy. Okay children, what they are doing funny pictures? You see children, a baby is cooking food. See children, here baby is cooking food. A dog, what dog is doing children? Dog is reading a book. See children, dog is reading a book. A woman, woman what she is doing children? See here, woman. Who will sleep in the cradle? Baby. But woman, a woman is sleeping in the cradle. See children, woman is sleeping in the cradle. A man is under the chair. See children here, what a man is doing? A man is under the chair. Funny pictures, no children, these all are funny pictures. A mouse is writing a book. See children here, mouse picture, see what mouse is doing? Mouse is writing a book. A big girl is eating. Here see children, a big girl is eating. So funny, no children, these pictures. A baby is cooking food. A dog is reading a book. A man is under the chair. A woman is sleeping in the cradle. A mouse is writing a book. A big girl is eating. Okay children. Now come to worksheet 3. Read the clues. Find a word from the list for each clue. Okay children. The opposite of shout. Opposite of shout. Whisper. Here see children, you have to find a word, the list for each clues. A car has 4 of these wheels. Car has 4 of these. What children? Wheels. You blow it. What children you blow it? Whistle. A soothing color, white. It used to beat horse with whip. We will use now children to beat horse with what? Whip. Okay children. Worksheet 4. Think of rhyming word for each of these. Rhyming word, last letter, same pronunciation. Whale, pale, wheel, peel, king, ring, witch, itch, 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 gold, old, catch, patch, kind, find. These all are rhyming words children. Whale, pale, wheel, peel, king, ring. Any word you can write. Last word, last letters ng should come. Which, itch, switch you can write, which you can write. Any word you can write. Gold, old, catch, patch, kind, find. Okay children, understood children? Children, here is a small assignment for you. Read and write worksheet 3 and 4 one time children. Okay children, we will meet you in next online class.